Hizbul militant killed in overnight Pulwama gunfight operation over. Slant militant was active since 2017. Police says. Encounter has started at Usgam Pathri, Rajpura area of Pulwama. Police and security forces are on the job. Pulwama gunfight. Pickup Hizbul militant Firoz Ahdar killed in Usgan Pathri, Rajpura gunfight. One militant has been killed in an ongoing operation at Ujra Pathri area of South Kashmir's Pulwama district. Identify of the slant militant is yet to be ascertained. Identity of slant militant. Hizbul militant killed in overnight gunfight at Rajpura, Pulwama. Jasne Barbadi, time for Fab India. Hindus cannot tolerate anything against their honor, culture, dharma and Rashtra. Now their unity is clearly discernible. Never mess with Hindus. Fab India slips into losses in FY21. Revenues dropped 30% to rupees 1059 crore. The chief reasons for Fab India losses: overpriced apparels, lack of innovation in designs, half-hearted online approach, rubbing customers in wrong way with idiotic campaigns like Jasne Rivaj. For Fab India, Jasne Rivaj leads to Jasne Nuksan. Hope the next step is Jasne Tabah. Fab India Quit India Exit Voucher. जश्न कंगाल 20 सालों में पहली बार फैब इंडिया को घाटा। दिवाली का उर्दूकरण करने वाली कंपनी को 116 करोड़ का नुकसान। बॉलीवुड एक्टर जॉन अब्राहम के इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट से उनकी सारी तस्वीरें और प्रोफाइल फोटोज डिलीट हो गई है। एक्टर का इंस्टा अकाउंट पूरी तरह क्लियर हो गया है और उनके नाम के सिवा इस पर कुछ भी नहीं बचा है। जॉन अब्राहम यूँ तो इंस्टाग्राम पर बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव नहीं रहते। For him, Muslim appeasement is important for election. That's why he is wishing death of Hindus by targeting PM. He often humiliates Hindus and then begs for vote of Hindus. We know if they come to power, would these people allow Kashi Vishwanath temple to be built? Shame on Akhilesh. I stand and support the biggest trend alert. Shame on Akhilesh. वोट दे दो इन्हें जिन्होंने श्री राम भक्तों पर गोलियां बरसाई थी। शेम ऑन अखिलेश। अखिलेश ने पीएम मोदी की मौत की कामना श्री काशी विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर देख ऐसा बौखलाया। बोला अखिलेश आखिरी समय में बनारस में ही रहने जाया जाता है। Those who were ready to do anything in Ayodhya to save the Babri Masjid, they were never in favor of the temple. They have nothing in the Kashi temple. They are credit thieves just because of the Sanatani ideology. Today Kashi is developing. Akhilesh Yadav believes that Jinnah brought freedom to the country, whereas the truth is that Jinnah broke the country and created Pakistan. Is Akhilesh with one who broke the country? Shame on Akhilesh. Do you know, one time Nehru forgot his cigarette, so Madhya Pradesh government sent an aeroplane just to pick up Nehru's favorite cigarette brand. The liberals who worship Nehru are crying that Modi misusing public money at Kashi. They support Nehru worship but not Bhagwan Shiva. Gujarat Union Home Minister Amit Shah pays floral tribute at Statue of Unity in Kevadia on the occasion of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary. President Ramnath Kovind, Home Minister Amit Shah, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri and महात्मा गांधी के 7 बेटों में से आपको गांधी जी के उस बेटे का नाम बताना है जिसने सन 1936 में इस्लाम धर्म अपनाकर अब्दुल्ला गांधी नाम रखा था। बताइए जल्दी। हीरालाल, ईश्वरलाल, जीवनराम, मंजीत लाल। हीरालाल 64% वोटे, हीरालाल नाम सही। India's defense minister touches the feet of wife of Colonel Hoshiar Singh and seeks her blessings. Colonel Hoshiar was a warrior who fought the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War, not just the soldiers. We respect even their family, proud of my government. On his death anniversary, read why liberals can't complain that BJP is co-opting Sardar Patel. The Missionaries of Charity, an organization founded by Mother Teresa, has been booked for luring young girls towards Christianity. In a shelter home it turns in Vadodara city, Gujarat. बस विपक्ष में ही वो आपके साथ होते हैं। देश के तमाम बुद्धिजीवी कांग्रेस शासित प्रदेशों की ऐसी घटनाओं पर अमूमन मौन ही रहते हैं। सिर्फ बीजेपी शासित राज्यों में हल्ला हो रहा। संगरूर में नींव पत्थर रखने पहुंचे पंजाब के सीएम के सामने बेरोजगार अध्यापकों ने की नारेबाजी। पुलिस ने मुंह दबा चुप कराया। भारत के लौह पुरुष सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। New BrahMos missile plant in UP to be inaugurated by the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh this month. Will have a capacity to produce 100 missiles a year. Former controversial Twitter India head Manish Maheshwari has announced that he is quitting Twitter.